So, viewers, today we are going to start our new wallet review. That's name is Bitcoin Core Wallet. Yes, this is a very informative video for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So, in this video, we are going to download the Bitcoin Core Wallet from the authentic website, and after that, we will create account. So, you must watch this video till end. So going to start our video, and now I'm going to open the other or second my browser where I can download Core Wallet. You can see here the browser is open in front of me. I'm going to first of all type here Google and then type here Bitcoin Core Wallet. This wallet is secure wallet. You can easily find your private key. You can also lock your wallet. All information I will give you in my incoming videos. Okay, you must watch my all videos about Bitcoin Core Wallet if you're going to use. So simple click on it, and then you can see here the first website is open in front of me, bitcoin.org. This is the official website where you can download Bitcoin Core Wallet. Okay. Sometimes you going to search on Google and you by mistake you open phishing website. So be careful. If you download phishing software, you will lose your all fund. Okay. You can see here the main website is open in front of me. Bitcoin Core Wallet. Bitcoin Core is a full Bitcoin client and build the backbone of the network. It offers high level of security, privacy, and stability. So you can see here there is option available where you can download. Three options available here: Windows, Mac, Linux. If you are using Windows, so you can click on this. If you are going to use Mac, so you can use this option, and if you are using Linux, so you can use this option. And also you can see here there's all information available here about Bitcoin Core Wallet: control over your money, full validations, complete transparency, and many more available information available here. Full control over fee. So you can see here all information available here. You can easily read from this website. But today we are going to just download this software and install our system, and after that we will create account. So just simple click on window option because I'm going to use laptop, window laptop. So that simple click on install. And then you can see here download Bitcoin Core Wallet latest version 28.1. Be careful when you're going to download. So you must check you are using official website bitcoin.org. And you can see here there is option available here: Windows, Mac, MOS, Linux. So I just simple click on Bitcoin, download Bitcoin Core Wallet. Now the option is available here. I am using 64-bit. You can also download according to your system. You can also download 32 bits. So it's maybe takes some time. Within a 1 minute, this software will be downloaded, and after that I will install in my system. Waiting for this. Now you can see here software download is completing, almost 5 minutes remaining. Then the software will be downloaded. I'm waiting for this. In a few seconds this software will be downloaded, and then I will install it over system. Now you can see here we have successfully download our Bitcoin Core Wallet, and now going to click on open button because we are going to install our system. Just simple click on yes button when pop-ups is open. You can say welcome to the Bitcoin Core Wallet 64-bit. Going to next. And you can see here the destination folder is available here. C. You can also change according to your drive. Space available 823 GB. Just we need 92 MB. Simple click on next button, and now click on install. This takes some time, and after that, this software will be installed in our system, and then we will open. Now you can see here the software successfully installed. Now going to click on finish and run Bitcoin Core Wallet. Waiting for this. Use default data directory. This area is very informative for you if you are going to change your directory, because Bitcoin Core Wallet have own blockchain data at your system. You need to almost 5 to 600 GB data is available in your laptop, then you can easily run. You can also see here when you click OK, Bitcoin Core Wallet being to download and process the full Bitcoin blockchain 620 GB. Yes, you must have at your laptop almost 8 to 900 GB. Then you can download this software and you can easily use this software if you want to save your Bitcoin from scammer or hacker. And also you can see here limit block chain storage. It's totally depend on you. I just simple click on use the default data directory. Going to click on it. You can also change from this option. Okay. If you have add your external drive or external hard in your laptop. Now you can see here Bitcoin Core Wallet is downloading the blockchain data. You can see here unknown number of blocks left, synchronizing, and last block time is Saturday, January 3, 2009. Means when you're going to use your Bitcoin Core Wallet, you first download or synchronize all blockchain data from first day to till now. You can see here 2009. And also you can see here 17 years and 14 weeks behind, and pre-synchronized header 7.2%. I'm going to click on hide button. And now you can see here, this is the main interface of your Bitcoin Core Wallet. And I'm going to create a wallet. You can see here, no wallet has been loaded. Go to file, open wallet to load a wallet or create a new wallet. So going to click on create a new wallet. You are one step away from creating your new wallet. Please provide a name and if desired. So going to type here Bitcoin wallet. I just type here Bitcoin wallet. If you want to encrypt your wallet, means just click on it, and you can also apply password. Means when you're going to make any transaction from this wallet, you must enter your password. Otherwise, you can't send money. And also, you must remember your password. If you lost your password, means your fund is drained and you can't access your wallet. Okay. So keep in your mind, and you must have private key. You can see here encrypted wallet, and also you can advanced option. Make blank wallet. Yes. Okay. Now click on create a button. Now you can see here new phrases. Enter the new phrases for the wallet. Please use phrases of 10 or more random character or 8 or more word. You can type here random characters, but you must remember, and you also write down on your diary. Also print out your phrases, because when you want to recover or restore account, so you must have your seed phrases. So I just going to check I have any seed phrases, so I will use it. Just a minute. I just want to, let's suppose I'm going to type here my, sorry. To use phrases of 10 or more, I'm going to type here the password my this wallet for login or send the money. I type here Before going to apply this password, so you must show traces, because if you type wrong here, you can't send the money from this wallet. Okay, so going to click on OK button. Warning: if you encrypted your wallet and lost your traces, you will lose all of your Bitcoin. Are you sure? Yes. So keep in your mind, if you forget your wallet password, so you can't transfer your Bitcoin from this wallet to other wallet. Okay, keep in your mind. Keep in your mind. Again, you must write your password in secure places, write password in your personal diary, write password in paper, and after that you print out, because your password is very necessary for you if you make any transaction from this wallet, Bitcoin Core wallet. Okay. So I hope you properly understand how can you download Bitcoin Core wallet, how to set up Bitcoin Core wallet. If you want to deposit on this wallet money, so I will give you more information in my incoming videos. So please must watch my incoming video. So before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel, Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And also please like this video, share this video your family friend. Some person need to use Bitcoin Core wallets, so this video will be help for them. Okay, so let's meet with you in new video.